How to install Play Store in ChromeOS Flex? Let's try. Play Store. Play Store, Google Play Store. Okay, this is the Google Play Store window, but let's try to install. We can open the Google Play Store, but we will try to install first some games. Okay, let's try to click this brain dots install. Okay, let's see. Oh no, it seems we cannot install any Google Play Store apps because the response from Google Play Store is choose a device, and from the device list there is no Chrome OS flags listed. Install, if I click install, this will install on my phone, which is Realme, and that's that I wanna do. Close. So on the conclusion, I think we can open Google Play Store, but we cannot install any application from Google Play Store. Okay, unfortunately, there's no way to install Play Store on Chrome OS Flex. Okay, this is Chrome OS Flex, not a Chrome OS from Chromebook. Maybe you can install any Play Store apps if you have Chromebook with Chrome OS. Thank you for watching.